Get up on your feet. Get up on your
It's
feet.
reading time!
Get up on your feet.
Copycat by Mark Birchall. Cat was small and dog was big, and whatever dog did, cat did too. When dog went to dinosaur hunting, cat went to dinosaur hunting with her. When dog balanced on the high wire, cat balanced on the high wire too. Copycat, said dog. When dog went digging for pirate treasure, cat also went digging for pirate treasure. And when dog went deep sea diving, guess who went deep sea diving with her? So when dog went to explore the moon and the planets and the stars, she made sure that her spaceship had room for only one on board. She didn't know that cat had a spaceship just like hers. Copycat, said dog. Copycat, copycat, copycat. Why must you always follow me? You go everywhere that I go, and you do everything that I do. The next day, when dog went hunting dragons, cat wasn't there. He wasn't there on the next day either, when dog went to discover the North Pole. And on the day after that, dog wanted to play soccer, but where was cat to play soccer with her? I wish I hadn't got so mad at him, said dog. Sometimes it's more fun if there are two of you to do things together. And she went to say sorry. Come in, said cat in the teeniest, tiniest, most faraway voice. There he was, tucked up in bed and covered all over with spots. Oh, cat, I was worried. I haven't seen you for ages, said dog. I never thought I'd miss you so much. I've missed you as well, whispered cat, but I was too ill to come and see you. Never mind, said dog. I'll soon make you better. And she made him special get well soup and gave him special feel better medicine. She read him exciting adventure stories until he fell fast asleep. In the morning, cat felt good as new again. He went to find dog. But she wasn't in the dinosaur park or on the pirate island or on the moon or any of the other places that she liked to visit. Where could dog be? Copycat, said cat. Now, it's my turn to make you better. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.